All right, Elizabeth, New Jersey. We're gonna walk downtown to the downtown area. We're on the corner of Union Street and Jersey Street, West Jersey Street. The historic Midtown business district here. We got LBG, little big guy, our Pocket 3 camera, star of the show, in his house. Let's go. Wow, that's a cup. I just heard a real loud noise, and it's just a cup. If you heard that, you probably heard that. It sounded like somebody on a skateboard, but it was a cup. Wow, pretty wild. Okay, we're coming up to Broad Street. Let's just hang out here, everyone, for a little bit. All right, let's walk. Yeah, so this is the center of the downtown area here, Elizabeth, basically. Not quite 60 degrees, but it's getting warmer right now. Definitely getting warmer. Okay, let's go. Let's cross the street. Do I have it? I gotta hurry up. Gotta be careful, but let's roll. Let's roll. We got it. We got it. Wow. Okay. Let's get going over here. There's a lot of music, so I gotta talk right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So we're in Elizabeth, New Jersey. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's have some fun. So the garden is jumping across the street, as you see. The garden is the club over there. It's jumping. All right, let's go, let's go. The restaurant's got some people in there, cool. Yeah, so we have the Pisco's with a lime, wow. So there's like a lime on this one here, pretty cool. So it's like a cool spot, Pisco's. I don't know what it is though. It looks like maybe a bar and grill. And we got the Munchkies. Munchkies right here. So we got the Munchkies fast food right here. Pretty cool. I'm gonna lift a little big guy. Maybe you can see the top. Cool. All right, so let's go. Morris Avenue. Let's go. Let's stroll. Let's stroll. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That is dangerous feeling. I'm not kidding. You step there, it goes down. Whoa! I mean, yo, that makes me think a little bit about these gate things. Like it probably leads to some stairs. Wow. So yeah, you gotta watch. Seriously. Let me see. This one's okay, but yeah, honestly, not a bad idea to look out for those gate things. See the gate thing on the ground that I'm talking about. You gotta watch out for those things. See right there in the front. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. What's up, man? How are you? These gate things, man, are crazy. Yeah, sometimes they break, I guess. Who knows? All right. Let's roll. Let's roll. Yeah, so they got the bakery here with the cakes. See? See the cakes? Some nice cakes. Whoa, I gotta watch where I'm going. Brisa's Bakery. We got the El Rubble restaurant and bar right here. Oh yeah, spring has sprung, so the weather is starting to kick up, and there's some food menu right there. So yeah, let's head down this way. LBG, little big guy in his house.